This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Doug Nesbitt. Big nicely updated 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom rambler in desirable Sunnyland neighborhood with huge 1,980 square foot attached garage / shop. Hardwood floors, fireplace, skylights and an open floor plan. Nicely updated kitchen. New HVAC. 4th bedroom has attached full bath. Sun-drenched fenced backyard. Did I mention the shop? This is the perfect home for an auto enthusiast, contractor, hobbyist, artist or anybody looking for secure dry shop storage space. 3 large garage doors and 12 tall ceiling in the center shop. All new LED lighting in shop and a toilet and sink. The home is very solid and nicely laid out. Gas heat and wood stove insert. Quiet part of town. Great investment. Rent the house, use the shop, rent the shop, use the house. For more information, review the details below.